Okay everybody, welcome to a tutorial on how to get sound effects, or actually any music you want to use that you can get to often in DaVinci Resolve. And you'll see this little tab up here called Sound Library. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. And how I got this in here is you see these three little dots right here. Just click on that and you can add library, and from there you can add any folder you want with sounds in it. And I'm going to show you where I got my sounds in just a moment. So I have a thing crash there, and you can see there's a crash. I can put people, and I can get or laugh. There's an audience. Can't hear that too well here. Let's do laugh. And here's a bunch for laugh, and I can see all the sound effects that I have here, and then I can search for them by title. And then when I find one I like, I can just drag it over in my editor and place it in my video and go back to my sound library. And this makes it really fast for me to edit and not have to go searching for sound effects online. So then the question is, well, where do you find your sound effects? And so what I do is I'm going to go over right here, and on Adobe they offer, Adobe Audition offers these. As long as you read the license agreement, they're royalty-free audio sound effects. You can't resell them individually or use them individually, of course. Just read through that agreement. But you can download each one of these and create a pretty substantial sound library. And that's what I did. I downloaded each one of these, put them in a folder, and created my library for DaVinci Resolve. So hey, I hope you found this useful. Again, you can use any music. You don't have to use sound effects at your sound library, so you do what works best for you. And if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please do so, and we will see you in the next video.